Why is the crypto market crashing? The same reason it has been crashing for a few months now. We have rising interest rates and higher inflation. Let's look at this update today. Fed Vice Chair Lael Brainard says it's very hard to see the case for the Fed pausing rate hikes. That's why the market is crashing, because they're just anticipating higher and higher interest rates. And obviously that means the cost to borrow assets goes up and assets come down in value. So this is the backdrop. Obviously we've known this is happening. Feel free to invest in oil. Feel free to invest in commodities. Because of the supply disruptions. Right now, I think crypto has so much ridiculous upside, so I just salivate as the market gets cheaper and cheaper and cheaper for the long term, right? Obviously, technology has a lot of value. Obviously, this is a generational opportunity to accumulate it on deep red as these disruptions are occurring. I thought Bitcoin would crash to 30K. For now, I just see choppy waters ahead, volatility, softness. And so obviously you can take advantage of it with the smart money. For instance, this is what the smart money is doing. You have a recent Goldman Sachs report showing that nearly 20 insurance companies were exploring cryptocurrency investments or had already invested. So insurance companies are some of the biggest asset managers in the world. They get all this money from selling insurance and they invest it. That's trillions and trillions of dollars coming online. Let's look at the demand. Let's look at the underlying fundamentals of the Bitcoin market. We have this one ETF in Canada hitting an all-time high in how much Bitcoin they have stacked, around 35,000 tokens. Okay, this is in a very soft market. This ETF just stacks Bitcoin. Well, what do you guys think is going to happen once the American spot ETFs are approved, right? Hundreds of thousands, if not millions of Bitcoin are going to be taken off the market, just sucked into these ETFs and stored. And the supply crunch that I've been talking about in Bitcoin is going to take place. It is absolutely massive. Let's dive into meme assets, because we know that once the market recovers, meme assets are going to continue to outperform every other asset class. That's just the way it is and the way it works, because people just love meme assets. They capture their attention. Well, this is what's going on with Shiba Inu. We have a burn rate increasing by 190% in the last 24 hours. So this is on June 1st, just massive increase in the burn rate of SHIB, meaning the supply is taken off the market and the holders of Shiba Inu get to own scarcer and scarcer tokens. So it's obviously a very good move. This is part of why the burn rate is increasing. On Friday, May 27th, the Twitter account of Travis Johnson's SHIB Burn Games announced that SHIB Superstore, a regular canine coin burner, has been added to the Amazon affiliate program. From now on, the shop intends to use from 1 to 20% of profits from it to buy SHIB, which will be burned. So the community is taking steps to burn and destroy the supply of Shiba Inu. Here's another very exciting development. So Babydoge is now 1 year old, right? Happy birthday. Our snapshot is live for community proposals and voting. First proposal is, do we burn 50 quadrillion on Ethereum? Obviously, the community is going to vote in favor of that. So Babydoge is going to burn 50 quadrillion tokens. And for context, they have a total supply of 420 quadrillion. They've already burned 192 quadrillion. So they're going to add another 50 quadrillion to that stack. There is so much going on. Can't wait to cover it all with you guys.